we have seen a problem. Today we will see one more problem with resolution, and we will go to a resolution mechanism. This is very important for examination point of view. Okay, shall we start now? The time is around 9. Or shall we? Yeah, my screen is okay. Hello. Screen is okay for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. We are going to start the class now. The time is around 9. Today we are going to start a new inference mechanism called as resolution mechanism. Okay. Okay. Previously we have seen entailment. It is one resolution mechanism. Modus ponens is one such kind of resolution mechanism, and one kind of inference mechanism. Third one is resolution. Okay, it is called as sound inference mechanism. Okay, we will see why it is called as sound inference mechanism. Okay, you first remember that resolution is a inference mechanism. Okay, is it sound or not sound? We will see. Okay, after looking at the principle and solving some problems, and after applying this concept on our Olympus world. Okay, we'll try to see 2 to 3 problems. For the basics for resolution is CNF. Okay, conjunction of disjunction of literals. Yesterday we have seen it. First, let me discuss about the principle of resolution. Yeah, could you please unmute yourself? Those who are having discussion, could you please? Hello. Hello, could you please unmute yourself? Venkata Nagasai. I'm removing him. I removed him. Okay, you please inform me. How can he talk within the class? Let me ask him to join. Resolution is a sound inference mechanism. First, let me discuss about the principle of resolution. Okay, let X be a literal. Okay, in the previous class we discussed that literal can be a preposition or negation of the preposition can be called as a literal. Is it okay? Hello, kindly respond yourself, please. What is called as a literal? A literal can be a preposition or negation of the preposition is called as literal. Now we are taking 2 sentences, sentence S1 and sentence S2. Okay, these 2 are called as prepositional sentences. You can call them as preposition or you can call them as no need. Okay. Now the principle is, now what is the input we have taken? We have taken X as literal, and we have taken 2 strings, or we can also call them as 2 sentences. We can also call them as 2 prepositions. Now the principle is, if we have X or S1, observe carefully, always it should be in the form of CNF. Here it is a disjoint. Here it is a disjoint. You are combining with the conjunction. Okay, this is and symbol conjunction. Okay, now the principle is X or S1 and negation of X or S2. Okay, now if you apply these 2, you are going to get S1 and S2. Okay, where S1 and S2 are resolved, where X is resolved. Now definitely this X and negation X will cross out. Okay, ultimately you will get S1 or S2. Okay, remember, give me 1 minute. What is resolution? Let me discuss. Resolution is a rule applies only to disjunction of literals. I already told you that the input for the resolution principle is CNF formula. Okay, where you should have a class. Okay, the class has to be with disjunction. It has to be applied only to the disjunction of literals. Can you take a literal as P as literal, or another P1 as literal, P2 as literal, or you can take negation P2 as one more literal. Okay, now every sentence of preposition logic is logically equivalent to CNF. Observe carefully. Every sentence in preposition logic is equivalent to logically equal CNF. Observe carefully. Now, for example, I have taken two clauses, clause C1 and clause C2. These two are combined with conjunction. Conjunction is nothing but add. Within the clauses, you are having prepositions with disjunctions. Okay. Now, CNF is nothing but conjunction of disjunction of the literals. Okay. This is the input for my resolution. Hello. Now, let me go to my principle. I need response from you. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, please. You observe carefully the principle once again. It is very, very important in the examination. Okay. X is a literal. You already know that. What is a literal? Literal can be a preposition or it can be a negation of preposition. And if you consider two sentences, either S1 or S2 or X comma, whatever it may be, okay, it can be written as, it can be always, it should follow CNF format. Please listen carefully. CNF. Okay. The CNF should be in the form of, now literal or sentence S1 and negation of the literal. Please listen carefully. Here you should have negation of the literal or S2. If you have, give me 1 minute, please. Please. One phone call from a hospital. Sorry, my father is in the Omega hospital. He is in the treatment of hospital. Now after this classes, I have to go. Okay, sorry for the delay for 1 minute. Yeah, where we are? Yes. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, where we are? Now, we are discussing that X is literal. No need to mug up the things. Simply remember, X is a literal. We have considered S1 and S2 as sentences. It should be written in the form of XR S1 and negation of XR S2. Please remember, here you should have only negation of this variable. Okay. Whenever you have this kind of principle in preposition logic, you have to write like this, S1 or S2. That's it. It is like modus ponens. In modus ponens, we have taken that negation of P or Q or Q. We have P. We have represented as answer as Q. Here, whenever you have the equation in the form of this, okay, it is called as XRS1 and negation of XRS2. You should represent it as S1 or S2. Okay. Now here you can represent like S1, S2 is a resolvent. I will discuss this what is resolvent and X is a resolved. Okay. If this principle is okay, I will try to discuss examples. We'll try to discuss minimum 2 examples to understand basically. Shall we go?
Yes, sir.
Please. I think the principle is okay. Simply XRS1 and negation of XRS2. You will get S1 or S2. That's it. Now, everyone, please take this example. I will wait for 1 minute. We are going to solve this example for the next 10 minutes. Please, everyone, take it. I will give you 1 minute time. Please make it. Everyone will solve. Okay, step by step we'll solve within the class. Here I will consider each as one sentence. Okay, this is S1, this is S2. S2 stands for sentences. This is S3 and this is S4. They will give you some sort of sentences and they will ask you to prove a statement within the exam. Okay, here we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. You should prove it. Okay. Shall I call them as sentences?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If it is completed, shall I move one by one? Let me explain one by one. I have to first I have to convert the sentences into syntax. Okay. Shall I convert? Otherwise, will you try how to convert the sentence into syntax? If triangle is equilateral, then isosceles. What principle we have to use? Is it implies? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It's implied.
Now, shall we move? Shall I move the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look at here. One by one we will take and we will convert it. Okay. If triangle C is equilateral, then it is isosceles. Now it can be written as equilateral of ABC. If you take the triangle as ABC, okay, it is isosceles of ABC. Is it okay? It is implication. Okay. The first statement is okay for everyone. Are you getting
Yes,
it?
sir.
Triangle have only three sides, so we have taken ABC variables. Okay. Equilateral of ABC implies if it is equilateral, then it is isosceles. It is a rule. Okay. No one will deny it. Okay. Please take this. In the same way, I have converted first three sentences, all with equivalence. Okay. If triangle is isosceles, then two sides of AB and AC are equal. If the triangle is isosceles, then equal of ABAC. Okay. Two sides are equal. What sides are? AB and AC. This is second principle. Third principle is if AB and AC are equal, look at here, equal of ABAC, then implication is angle B and angle C are equal. Okay. Now, fourth sentence is no need to have any implication. Directly it is simple sentence. ABC as equilateral triangle. Simply ABC equilateral. That's please make it fast. Now we have converted the sentences into syntax format or prepositions format. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what would be the next step? Now, our syntaxes are in the form of either if you have any sentences in the form of implication or by implication, what to do?
Convert them to conjunctions.
Yes, very good. How to? Now, whenever there is an implication, what sort of principle we can use? P implies Q. If there is a principle P implies Q, how you will go to what sort of principle you are going to use? Maybe in previous class we used it. Step 1 in yesterday's class, step 1. Elimination implications. In that we used one formula. P implies Q can be written as negation P
Conjunction Q, sir.
or Q. That's what I'm asking. You have to tell this formula, otherwise we cannot do. Okay. Okay. In the next slide. First, you please take this. Amma, it is your responsibility to do more examples. Okay. Are you getting me? I can give you one or two, but you have to examples. Otherwise, if you solve only one example, you may not get ideas in the examination. Okay. You have to solve another 2 to 3 examples. You kindly download from the textbook or from Google any kind of examples, and you try to solve it. If you solve 4 to 5 examples, then you can remember everything. Okay. You will never forget within the examination. Is it completed? Shall I move?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Now we are going to apply this principle. Okay. Wherever there is a principle, now we have this principle in first sentence, second sentence, and in third sentence. In fourth, it is there. Okay. Clear? Now we are going to apply, make it note. No. This implication can be written as negation of P or Q. Now that's it. Take the first 3 sentences. You understood, you know the logic. Now here we have what we have done is P implies Q. We have termed as P, negation of P or Q. Now if you consider first clause as P, second clause as Q, you should write it as negation of equilateral or isosceles of ABC. That's it. Take the 4 steps. Can anyone tell me what would be the next step? Is it in the
Sir,
form of
if there
CNF
any,
or hello?
yes, sir. Sir, if there are any double negations, we'll be removing those double negations, sir.
Yeah. One thing. Very good. Yeah, very good. Here we don't have double negation, but can I apply any distributive laws, associative laws? Can I apply on these formulas?
Sir, we can apply our distributive law, sir.
Now I have told you that further, if I want to apply resolution, yes, that's what we go. Now, what for we are going is the input for the resolution is your compound, your set of statements must be in CNF format. You can also call it as clausual format. Okay, clausual format. Okay, so shall I move to the next slide? Amma, shall I move?
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
did you complete
Yes,
this
sir.
slide? Yeah, please. Now, yeah, please. Okay, before going to yes, please give me 1 minute. Before going to the application of resolution, now what they have asked us to prove, angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, they asked us to prove angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, for that, now we have to convert this also. Now angle B and C can be converted as equal of BC. Can I write this statement like this? Yes or no? Can I convert this statement into this preposition? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am asking you people. Yes. Now, in resolution, what we will do is we will take a negative way. Okay, please. Instead of going to by taking equal of BC, showing the output. Now, here in resolution technique, what we will do is negation of that equal BC we will take, and we are going to show it as null. Okay, null. Now, in resolution, in each and every problem, what we'll do is we will take the negation of the statement. Look at carefully. Equal of BC, can I call it as negation of equal? Not now. If I prove if it as null, if it is true as null, now our statement is correct. If I did not get null, I cannot prove this statement. Understood carefully? Now, what I will do is I will take negation of equal of BC and I will try to disprove this. Okay. Now, by using what I will take is not equal of BC and I will try to make it as null at the end. If I take null, it is correct. That means we have proved it. Okay. We have taken not equal of BC and if I reach to a null state, then now let me show you with the help of a simple equation. Okay. What the principle we have to follow is here we should consider we should take a negation and we should prove it as null. Okay, are you getting me? Maybe in the resolution formula always we'll take a negative 5. Okay, though, so what we are going to take now, this is my statement to be proved. Now instead of taking these positive statements, I'm taking negation of the statement, and if I prove it as null, then it is proved angle B is equal to angle C. Now this is the point where you have to understand. Is it okay? If it is okay, I'll start the procedure for resolution.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, please. Whatever the statements I have, please. Whatever the statements I have to written in the form of a set. Now, are these statements? 1, 2, 3, 4. All the I have kept it in the form of a table. Is it okay? Hello? Just first observe this. Then, where I have to start? I have to start in such a way that negation of equal of BC. Okay, I have to start here. Okay, now I have started at negation of equal BC. Now, if I want to prove negation, now I have to see every time I have to say this set and I have to take one set from this set. Now, if I want to disprove the negation, now out of these 4, which statement can I consider? You have to check that equal of BC. You have to check in this table. Could you please tell me where you have? Is it in statement 1? Is it in statement 2? Is it in statement 3? is it in statement 4? Now, I have my input is negation of equal BC. Now, if I want to disprove it, I have to take opposite sign. Na? Could you tell me which sentence will give me opposite sign?
Third statement, sir.
Hello?
Third
Third
sentence.
statement. No need to wait this much time. Yes, yes. Third sentence. Okay. Equal of BC. Now, if I take this sentence, now in the examination, you should show like this. Okay. You should show what statement you are taking. Okay. Now, here we have taken negation equal of ABAC or equal of BC. Now, this equal BC and negation equal BC will strike out. Now, what will come out? Now, this will be the outcome of the first statement. Is it okay? Now, I will wait for 1 minute. Please take this statement. It is very simple to understand, very easy, and you will get minimum. How many marks you got for essay question? Is it 5 or 8? 10?
10, sir.
This will come as an essay question. They will ask, yeah, 10 marks. Okay, you will get this question for directly for 10 marks. First, you have to show that what statement you have considering for proving. Okay, you have to show it. If not, you can write it like this: statement S3 as considered, note point. Okay, here you have considered this, and you strike out this one and strike out this one. What is the implication? It will come out. Negation of equal of AB comma AC will come out. Shall I move to the next slide? Shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, after the one iteration, we got that negation of equal AB AC. Now, could you please tell me what is the correct statement of for this opposite statement? You have to select. You have to check for equal of AB AC. Out of these 4 statements, you have to see that where you have equal of AB AC. Tell me. Shall I take this statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now, shall I move in the next slide? I will show that. Okay. Now, look at here. Here I have considered. Now I have negation of equal ABC from the first statement. Now here I have considered second statement. Now, which one will strike out? Here I have equal of ABAC, and here I have negation equal of ABAC. Now these two will strike out. Now, which one will come down? Which one will come down? Negation of
Negation
isosceles of
isosceles
ABC.
ABC.
Yes. 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 Please show the statement. Please show the statement. This is outcome of statement 2. Please show it as it is. You should show everything in the examination. Okay, step by step. But some students are showing that at the end null, but without showing step 1, step 2, step 3, they are showing null, and they wants to make fool the faculty. Okay. Anyway, we can fool it. Okay, by having 2 to 3 steps like this, and we can make a null symbol. Okay. Step 2 is completed. Here some sort of message, some things are missing. Nothing is there here. This is bracket. Okay, this is equal. Okay, this is ABAC, equal of AB comma AC. Okay. Here you have a negation of isosceles. Clear? You have to solve along with me. Next problem you have to solve by total problem you have to solve yourself. Now, could you please tell me which statement can I take for the next time? Shall I take statement S1?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, here I have negation of isosceles ABC. Now, this statement I have to consider. Now, shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Here I have considered. Here my resolvent is negation of isosceles of ABC. Now, in order to strike out this, I have to select statement S1. Now, this will be striked out with this. Now, what will come down? That you please make it as step 3. Outcome of step 3. Please take it. While taking, please look at here. Here you have negation of isosceles. After completion of step 3, we have reached in a stage that negation of equilateral of ABC. Now only one statement, one set is left over. This is this. Are you coming along with me? Everybody completed the 3 steps.
Yes, sir.
ఎస్ అమ్మా నీ పేరు అస్మాట్ నువ్వు కాదు, వేరే వాళ్ళని కూడా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వమనండి. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ఐ ఆమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ స్టేట్మెంట్ 4. ఓకే, shall I take this?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
shall I move to the next slide? Yeah, please. Yeah. Here I have taken the statement S4. I have to show like this. Okay, here I have taken equilateral, negation equilateral of ABC. It came from step 3. Here I have taken equilateral of ABC. Now, this will strike out with this. At the end, you are showing that null clause. Now, you have taken negation. Please take this. You have taken Now, please take it. I'll take a call and come back, please. Hello. Hello. Sorry. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Sorry. The hospital people are making us like day 1 we paid 25,000 for tests. Day 2 13,000. Here today they are asking us to pay 13,000 for tests. A small operation we have. We came from West Godavari, please. Omega people. Yeah, sorry. It is my personal. Okay, sorry. Where we have started? We have started at negation of equal BC. Okay, and if you prove this as null, okay, that means we have proved it as equal BC. Are you getting me? So we have reached to did we prove or not? Hello. Now we have disproved.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Negation of equal disproved means equal of BC is already proved. Okay. Now, if it is okay, I'll go to next step. Shall I move?
Yes, sir. You can.
Yes. This is what we are doing. Okay. First, we'll take if there is a negation, we have to consider it as other than the negation. Okay. You have to say that this principle is called as resolution. Okay. Now, we will apply this resolution technique on our Wumpus world. Okay. Shall we go? Yeah. Please take this procedure for 1 minute. Whatever we have done, if they ask about the algorithm, okay, you please write these steps. Please take this procedure for 1 minute. Are you taking the problem algorithm? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
One point I wanted to make it clear. Textbook, they will give you one set of algorithm. Now, whatever I'm solving in the problems, I'm going to give it in the form of a simple English kind of algorithms. Okay, both are same. Okay, if you take a algorithm or it may be, both are equal. You can write this or you can write that. Okay, whatever the procedure we are following, now it is my since 20 years, what I am doing is, whatever the steps I will do, I will take 2 to 3 problems. Now, once the student knows all the problems, he himself can write the algorithm. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my idea? Because I'm making simplification. Otherwise, if you have around 100 plus algorithms, most of the students are struggling that if I give X algorithm, students are writing Y algorithm. Okay. So if I give a simple kind of terminologies, then it is easy for us to make it understand. Okay. The examiner also, he can simply understand whatever we are writing. Okay. Please complete it. Then we will apply this same resolution on which one? We will go for Wumpus world. Okay. Completed. If you have any still problems in this algorithm, maybe we will try to solve one more example. Okay, with that everyone will be cleared with resolution. This is the last class for preposition logic. From next class onwards, we are going to discuss about first order logic. There are some drawbacks in preposition logics. They can overcome with first order logic. That will be the second part of second unit. Okay, completed.
Yes, sir.
Please. Yeah, this problem could you please solve at your home? Maybe I'll share the slides to you. Okay, I'll share this slide to you. Okay, in the same way, you please solve in clausual form, modus ponens, and resolution. If you solve this example, now you will get 3 kinds of examples. First one using CNF format, second one is using modus ponens, third one using resolution. Okay, I need everyone to solve this example, and I will put this as an assignment. Okay, please. Now slowly we will move to application of this resolution on our Wumpus world. Okay, we have discussed about what is Wumpus world in the previous classes. Now let me discuss with a small example. For example, here we have taken everyone please take this equation, please. Then I will discuss more about this for 5 to 10 minutes. Everyone please take this. Breeze of 1, 1. That means breeze at location 1, 1 by implication of if there is a pit at 1, 2, or if there is a pit at 2, 1. That means if this entails B11, B11 and B1 entails P12 or P21. Okay, let me discuss it more exactly. Okay, is it completed? Now I will try to apply it on a diagram. Okay, everyone has taken this breeze at 1, 1 by implication of pit of 1, 2 or pit of 2, 1. Isn't it? Everyone has taken it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let me look at this. For example, please observe this. This is a Wumpus world example. Please. Okay. This may be some other example. Okay. If you consider now, shall I call this as 1, 1? Shall I call yes or no? Yes. Now from that preposition logic, what we are writing, breeze at 1, 1. If we feel breeze here, if agent is feeling breeze here, there is no breeze. We know that there is no breeze. If please condition, if there is a breeze here, now what should be the pit based on the rules? There will be a pit here. There will be a pit here. Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. If there is a pit here, how can I write it here? Pit of 1, 2. Is it okay? Here there will pit of 2, 1. Is it, will you agree this?
Yes, sir.
That means please Just give me 1 minute time. My mother is feeling a problem in hospital. Please give me just 1 minute. Please, I'll come within a minute. In the meantime. completed? Shall we go? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall I discuss this problem? Wumpus wall? Yeah. I think you have completed this. Now, whenever there is a breeze at 1, please, okay, 1 minute. For example, we are feeling that breeze at 1, 1. Okay. As per Wumpus wall rules, if there is a breeze at 1, 1, opposite side, all adjacents may have the pit. Here, we don't have any adjacent side. Okay. So we cannot consider these two rules. Now, in the form of preposition logic, you should write a CNF format such that if there is a breeze at 1, 1, there will be a pit at 2, 1, and there will be a pit, sorry, this is 1, 2, and there will be a pit at 2, 1. Is it okay? So you should write like this. This is an equivalence. If there is a pit at 1, 2 and 2, 1, there will be a breeze at 1, 1. Okay, that means LHS is equal to RHS. If there is a breeze at 1, 1, there will be a pit at P of 1, 2 and P of 2, 1. Will you agree? Now, hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, I will take this. Yes, we are going to take this principle. First, we should convert this data into CNF. How to convert this data into CNF? I think if you complete these steps, I will explain it, make it fastly. A little bit, shall I go?
Yes, sir, you can go.
Yeah, please, Amma, please. Once again, I got call from. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, shall we go? Hello, please. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Wait a minute. How to convert this equivalence? Okay, if I want to convert this equivalence into the first step, yesterday we have seen that. ఒక్క నిమిషం అమ్మా, హాస్పిటల్ నుంచి. హలో సార్, అక్కడ మీరు వెయిట్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు వస్తారండి. కారు హాస్పిటల్ నుంచి వస్తున్నారు. అది మీరు 2 నిమిషాలు వెయిట్ చేయలేకపోతే నేనేం చేయలేను సార్. నేను క్లాసులో ఉన్నాను. అది 5 నిమిషాలు సార్. వస్తున్నారండి. అదేనండి, వస్తున్నారండి. వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు. Hello. First, what we have to do is we should convert by implication into implication. Okay. Now, if you want to convert this by implication and implication, you should write it as A implies B and B implies A. Okay. Are you getting me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. First, we have converted this equation into implication. This is first step. Second step is the implication can be converted. This we have already solved it. Implication can be converted with negation A or B. Clear? This you already know. This equation, initially we have converted this double implication into implication. Then second step, we have eliminated this implication into using this formula. Okay. Third one is we have applied De Morgan's formula until we reach to the CNF format. We should convert step by step. If there are any negation, double negations, you should remove the double negations, okay, using De Morgan's laws. Now, could you please look at here this case for 2 minutes? Now, you already know this example. Now we are proving that B of 111 is equal to P of 12 versus P of P21. Okay. Now please take it. I'll come within a minute. Hello, is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The next step is we should where we have to start. We have to prove that negation of 1 1. Okay. You can take either negation of this side or you can take the negation of this side. Okay. You take this negation and show it as null. Okay. Here we are taking that. Observe carefully. Now, here I have taken negation of P12. You can take anything. Okay. Here we have taken negation of P1. You can take any of the principles. And if you disprove this principle, then it is okay. Then what we are showing is, if you take the knowledge base as, B11, okay, knowledge base as B11 implies P12 and P21. Is it okay? Are you getting me? This is the equation which you have taken. Now what I am taking is, I am disproving. Okay, negation of B11 I am taking. Okay, the negation of this statement I am taking. Okay, with and symbol. Okay, now what I am to prove is negation of, if negation of B11 means if there is no breeze at 11, what I am taking is, if there is no breeze at 11, is it the meaning of negation of P12? That means there is no pit at P12. Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We wanted to prove this. Okay, I have taken alpha as, if there is a breeze, if there is no breeze at 11, there is no pit at 12. This is the we have to prove it. Okay. Now here, why we have converted this into CNF format? Because you should show everything in the form of conjunction of disjunctive forms. So now here our data is in the CNF format. Observe carefully. This is a disjunction. This is a disjunction. Okay. This is disjunction and this is disjunction. All these disjunction we are combined. Okay. Now we should prove that. Kindly take it. Now everybody has taken these 4 formulas. Now here you have considered this statement, and here we are disproving. But kindly take this example and show it up to negation of 1, 2 with there is a null. Take it same example. Whatever the equations we have taken this, please. This you have to take this which in the form of table. Are you getting me? Hello? Yeah, anyway, we got these principles now. Disjunction of normal forms. This you please keep it in the form of set formulas. Okay? Are you get in the previous also, in the previous example also we had done same thing. We have 3 sentences. We have 4 sentences. All these 4 sentences are in the form of and symbols. Okay. Now everyone, now I have to take it as in the same way. What I have to do is, I have to consider negation of P12 and I should show it as null. Could you please observe it carefully? The same formulas, whatever I have taken here, negation of B11 and negation of P12 and P21, this one. Are you getting me? You can take any of the principle and by applying equivalent negation formulas, at the end you should show that there is a null. Could you please show it in our own way? Previously we discussed it in that example now. Hello, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Could you please disprove that we have taken negation of B11? Actually, where we have started that breeze at 11, and we have taken that negation of breeze at 111. Okay. Then I have to disprove that negation of P12 or negation of P21. Will you disprove it by taking this in the same in our own way? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we know this formula. You please take it as negation of B11 and you prove that it is, if it is showing null, it is equivalent. If not, if they are not equal, we'll say that this implies is not valid. Okay, it is not necessary to show because it is your textbook example. Okay, kindly take it and slowly at the end disprove it yourself. Where you have to start? Hello, where you have to start? Negation of B11. Okay, negation of B11, you apply either of these formulas. Okay, slowly. First you please take it. I will discuss it within 2 minutes. First you please take it. Hello. If you did not understand this, do in our own way. Anyway, we have completed up to CNF. Up to here we have completed. you please represent all these equations in this format. You start at negation of 1, 1, okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, please do in our own way, okay? It is your textbook example. Maybe you can follow in this way or you can follow in our own way. Maybe it is a little bit confusing, na? Please take this and you please follow in our own way. Yeah, if it is completed, we will close. I have one more class at 10:10. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. We can close.
Sorry for the disturbances in the middle because of our personal problems. Okay, in the hospital. Okay, sorry for that. Okay. Is it completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes. Shall I take
Yes,
attendance?
sir.
Yes. Thank you. Let me take attendance. It is AI 18 September 2020 9 to 10. Okay, Nama, completed. Please, you can leave. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class.